video we're going to discuss about basically how to upload image using drop.js. So if you don't know how to install Laravel, so first of all you need to watch my previous video I have already uploaded. And if you don't know how to create a controller, how to call route, you need to learn about the basic fundamental, then you can watch this video. Okay, so here what kind of stuff we need to follow, I have already written here, so you can check out from here. So first of all you need to install Laravel. Once you successfully install Laravel, then you need to create a controller like this one. You need to write a command like this one. Okay, so also you need to create a file which is for the view purpose drop down. I have written here drop zone.blade.php, and also you need to add in route. So once you have added successfully done this, then you need to add some kind of stuff. So first of all I am expecting you have already installed Laravel 8, and then you need to create a controller, and also you need to add same controller using name space in web.php. Once you added here, then what you need to do, first of all, if you don't know how to call directly controller or function something, so you can check out here also, I will explain you. So I have written here controller, controller name is image controller, and also we have the function like index, and we have the function like upload image, fetch image. These are the functions here. Okay, then if anyone hitting using get method, we are calling this particular function which is the index. And also if anyone hitting post method, then we are calling this particular let me show you this particular function which is the upload underscore image. If you want to fetch image, then I am calling this function which is a fetch underscore image. Okay, and also we have the delete method. And let me show you. Look, we have four functions right now. Here I'm using here index method, and inside of index method we are returning the view. We have view file which is a drop zone dot blade dot php. So this is a view file, and I will explain you here step by step everything. Okay, and also we have upload underscore image method. Here what we doing here, if anyone hitting the request is file something, then we'll getting the image inside of this variable, and also we getting the extension, and we also we adding the time stamp, so we can get the unique name of image. Okay, so also we storing this image name, particular this variable, and also we moving this image name is this image basically uh, inside the public dash images folder. Okay, so we have here public images folder. Inside the images folder we are uploading images here. Okay, so once we have done stuff, then we are successfully redirecting here response something success. Okay, and also we are fetching data here. Okay, if anyone calling this particular function which fetch image, if you want to show something, then we are fetching here. And we have here functions like fetch all images, and also we have the this file. Let me show you. Okay, we are fetching all images which are coming from the database. Okay, and what we need to do here, let me show you. We have the output something, and we're fetching all images, and we are running loop here, and we are printing this div. Okay, and we are fetching output echo something. Then I will show you how this is coming. And also if you want to delete, then we are already applied this particular get method name, and also we getting here, and we removing from the files which is here basically. Let me show you public images some things we have. Look, we have the images, and we getting the name, and we deleting from here. Okay, so these are the functionality we have done here. And we have the drop zone dot blade dot php files here. And here I am using jQuery 2, and also I'm using 3.3 something bootstrap, and also I'm using drop zone 5.5, and also we have the drop zone JS. Okay, so now what we're doing here, we have the form, and we using CSRF, and here we have the ID and class something, and we passing inside of this route, which is I have already discussed, which is second the post method we are using here, upload underscore images something. Let me scroll down here, and if we fetching, then we're printing inside of this particular div. Okay, let me show you. we have the class something, we are using id, and we have applying all data which is fetching from the database. Let me scroll down here, fetch images, and we are using output inside of the this div. Okay, and how this is coming using we are using javascript. So we are fetching data from here. Okay, submitted, if anyone submitted data, then we are adding in the request call, and we are already applying the data which, and we can insert inside of the database also. What we're doing here, we are using javascript, and also we are processing all data which can accept like .png, .jpg, .gif. So we can add something like this one. Okay, and also if anyone hitting the delete method, we are calling load. Suppose if anyone hitting the fetching from the database, then we are loading these particular functions. Okay, we have written, so we can fetch the data, and also we are appending this html which we have the id basically, upload images, and we are uploading, we are fetching data, and we are appending here. Let me show you, we have the div, and we are appending here. Scroll down here, and then we have the delete method which we are passing the name, and we are deleting the deleting file. Basically we have the file like images like gif something, we're deleting from using this method. Okay, and every step I have written here inside of my blog, which is realprogrammer.in, and you can check out from here. And friends,